Today we're going to explain you what you need to tune a car. To get started, first we need a cool car. So I asked Ben to find me one. He found me this Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. She's pretty for sure, and she mounts a V6 derived from a Ferrari engine. So prepare some pops and watch this video. As always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Hi tuners, here we are. So we have a programmer, a laptop and a good internet connection. So what we need now is a cool car and we can start to tune. Ben, any idea? Okay, let's see. Wow, this is an Alfa Giulia Quadrifoglio. I'm not sure where you got it, and honestly, I don't want to know. Let's have a look at the engine. This is a twin turbocharged 2.9 liter V6 engine. This engine was developed exclusively for the Quadrifoglio by Ferrari technicians. It's related to the Ferrari's own twin turbocharged F154 CBV8 engine. It has a stock power of 505 horsepower, and I'm sure with a good tune we can pull some more. As you may know, Alfa Romeo is an iconic Italian brand that bases its history on Grand Prix victories. Since its formation more than 100 years ago, Alfa Romeo's name has become legendary. The brand is held in high regard by many, possibly summed up best by Enzo Ferrari. I still have for Alfa the tenderness of a first love, the pure affection of a child for his mother. The Giulia Quadrifoglio delivers thrilling handling and a drop-dead gorgeous exterior that really turns heads. Alfa Romeo isn't known for its reliability, but this super sedan's sporting character and unrivaled beauty make it easier to overlook these flaws and enough to earn a spot. Let's talk about some of the pros and the cons of this beauty. The engine is a beast. Being developed by Ferrari, performances are guaranteed. Alfa also developed an active torque vectoring, a state-of-the-art technological feature designed to bring out the best performance of a sport car. Like all other active control systems, it's overseen by the chassis domain control, a unique central vehicle intelligence that Alfa Romeo created with its own algorithms to harmoniously and in real time handle all the electronic devices that interact with the car's behavior, making driving extremely natural, instinctive and safe. It also has a sophisticated suspension system, the most evolved in the segment. Alfa Active Suspension, the electronically controlled damping system, adapts to the driving condition instant by instant, enabling the driver to opt for more performance-based or comfort-oriented handling. Another factor in superlative driving pleasure is the flawless weight distribution between the two axles. An excellent weight-power ratio, achieved through the use of ultra-lightweight materials, such as carbon fiber for the drive shaft, throughout the range. This car has a few more amazing features, but I don't want to put you asleep with all this tech talk. Let's talk about some of its flaws. This one was produced in 2018 as a manual transmission, and since it was designed for racing, the gear shift oil is very dense. So if it does not reach the right temperature, it's a bit rude. The infotainment of this car is not, let's say, the best. For this price range, you would expect much more. Also, the racing characteristic of this car make her very stiff. Carbon is everywhere. It costs a bit in comfort. So it's not really for everyday use. I know you don't care, but in the long run, your wife may complain about this. The vibration caused by the bumps on the road also make the plastic a bit noisy. Again, nothing major, but the rivals like the Audi RS5 or the MG X3 did a better job. But let's get to the point. Why we are here? To tune her up. This car has two independent ECUs for engine control. One is on the right for the 3 cylinders on the right, and the other one is on the left for the rest. One is the master ECUs and the other one is the slave. They got the same maps, but there are some different bytes that function as identifiers. Fun fact, in some conditions, to save some fuel, the ECU decides to use only 3 cylinders, so the smoke comes out only from the left side. To tune this car, unfortunately, we can't go via OBD, so Ben, take them out and let's bench them. So now we have the ECUs. Let's start with the master. So there we go. There are two ways to find the right protocol. You could find it via the ECU label or via the vehicle list. Let's go the easy way. Let's open the programmer software. There we find the vehicle list and we choose the one we need. Here we have the programming modes. We choose the one that is available or more convenient in order to do the job. And the manual pops up and shows you how to connect to the module. So now we are ready to communicate with the ECU. Ben, let's read the file. Here we have the file. So now we need to use a map editor software to amend it. StageX allows the tuners to modify the values in the maps. You can also request ready solutions or free services. They have a stage 1 available for the ECU, so let's go for it. What are they gonna do on these files is kind of rocket science. But in general, they are going to modify tabs like turbo pressure, rev limits, driver wish, injection timing, lambda values, among other things. Once the file is done, we are ready to apply it to the ECU. Then we will do the same on the slave one. Ben, are you ready to write? Okay, now we are ready. Let's go. Stop, 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 stop. This car has been remapped, so it's not street legal anymore. You can drive on the street. So follow us on the next episodes where we will show you how much power we gained. See ya.